Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about how to make chocolate chips cookies at home. So in an empty bowl, put in your unsalted butter, 115 grams of unsalted butter. Add in your half cup of granulated sugar. Add in your half cup of brown sugar. Mix everything together with your hand mixer. You can use your spatula to do that with your hands until they are all mixed together. Beat in your 1 large egg. Your egg should be at room temperature. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything together. Set this aside. After mixing, then in an empty bowl, sift in your 1.5 cup of flour. Add in your 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add in your 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. And lastly, add in a pinch of salt. Mix everything together. It's now time to add it to the butter mixture. So add it a step at a time and mix together until it is well mixed. Go on to use your spatula to mix it much further. After that, add in your chocolate chips or chunk. Mix together until everything is well mixed. After that, use your spoon and your spatula to roll out shape like a ball shape of the mixture. Then transfer into a baking pan that is lined with a baking sheet. You do this for all the cookie mixture. Roll it all out in a ball-like shape. So after this, I'm done rolling out all of them. So this is my chocolate chips. The remaining ones, I'll just go in and place it on top of them all. Then it's ready to be transferred to my fridge, not freezer. I'll place it inside the fridge for 1 hour before transferring it to my oven. At this time, I've already on my oven at 260 degrees Celsius and I've allowed it to preheat for like 15 minutes. So this is 1 hour time. I just removed my cookies from the fridge and look at what it looks like. So I will go on to separate these because when I'm baking this, it's going to spread out right? So I'm not going to leave it this way. I will get another baking pan, line it with my baking sheet, then separate these cookies so they share it in between the two pans. I will ensure when dividing it that there is a 2 inches gap in between the cookies, so that when it's spreading out, it will has a lot of space to spread out and not gum to each other. So my oven is ready. So this is 15 minutes time after I've preheated it for 15 minutes time, and I'm going to transfer this, and I will allow this to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. And this is 15 minutes time. Our cookies is ready. See guys, it needs to have a taste. But like I said, you should leave 2 inches space in between each of the cookies. So look at this one, it doesn't have enough space, so that's why it's being gummed together. You can see them gummed together, and look at those ones that have enough space, how it's spread out and it's on its own. Like this one I'm showing you now, while others gums together. So when doing yours, ensure you leave enough space to allow it to spread out. Allow it to cool down before separating it. So guys, if you watch this point, please like and share my video so that others can see. Subscribe to my channel. By this, you're helping me to grow and you're supporting me, you're encouraging me to drop more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.